Okay, a little update on the BMW F650GS project. I know I haven't done any videos on it for ages. I've basically been focused on my car, but I have done a little bit of work on it in the background. I've got this starter motor kind of prepped up nicely and cleaned up, and then I've got bits over here that are ready to kind of prep, like these frame parts, like the front and then this other bit here, and I've got my a load of paint and stuff hanging around. Plus I also bought some rust converter. Excellent. The other thing that I've bought, because I was going to replace stuff with stainless steel, and I had a big long think about it, as in the fixings, and I kind of in the end I came to the conclusion that it's probably a bit pointless to replace them all with stainless steel. So I was on the well-known auction website, and there are various breakers on there. Even this is from European one, and I managed to buy like a bulk load of nuts and bolts and screws and various things, which actually are what I want. So things like this long one, this is part of the underframe, so my one's quite corroded on the bike. That one's in much better condition, and then I've got suspension bolts as well that are all a lot better condition than the ones that have come off of my bike. And then there's just lots of nice, so this is all in a bag of spares. There's even like exhaust bolts and things in here, so it's quite a lot of nice things, random washers, and you know, various fixings. So even if they look a bit corroded, they're not as bad as what was on the bike. And then I've just got the random ones in here. So say for like the brake reservoir, the one on my bike was completely rusted out, so I've got a nice few spare nuts and bolts now, which will mean that I don't have to sort of waste a lot of money on stainless fixings. The other bolts that I wanted were ones like these that are on here, so I've got those as well. And that long bolt here, that's the long bolt on my bike, which is in a lot worse condition than the one you can see, the one that's come out. So all of this stuff's going to get like a rust treatment, and I'm just going to tidy it up. And I've done a bit of painting of these bits. So there you go, just a quick update. The handlebars are on their way as well, so the handlebars are getting a nice recoat. So you know, I've done a little bit in the background, but my car has been unfortunately taking the bulk of my time. So the actual bike, pretty much as I left it probably a couple of months ago. The project will progress, but it may be a bit slow, and I'm also wanted this as more of a warmer time project, so I could take my time with it. And I'm looking forward to I'll probably finish this in the summer at this rate, but I suppose as the spring weather comes along I might get more enthusiasm, so bear with me, and we'll get there in the end.